We have been insisting our children to follow the etiquettes of life, and we want our children to follow these etiquettes wherever they go, whatever they do. But will our children follow these etiquettes? Most probably not, right? Rather than talking about these things or explaining it to them verbally, did we ever try to show these etiquettes or these values of life? Impact of words is just 20% on children, and rest of the 80% depends on what we do, the actions that we take. Children hardly listen to us. They watch and observe us. Myself, Kanis Fatima, mom of 3, wife of a super supportive husband, a lecturer for more than a decade, turned relationship mediator and parenting coach. In this video, I'm going to explain what as parents we need to do to make our children follow the etiquettes of life. Etiquettes are like clothes on a person. It reflects his personality. Number 1, bring a smile on the face and address others beautifully. When children see that their parents are addressing others without talking ill about them or without imitating or without calling them by nicknames, they start to respect others. They start feeling good about others. Number 2, stop complaining about others. When children see that their parents are trying to figure out what exactly is the matter and trying to take things positively or react positively, children also learn from them. They see that they try to perceive things in a positive way. Number 3, be a good listener. Very often we do not listen more, or we try to interrupt people in between their talks. Children learn from us. When we patiently listen to others and wait till they complete their conversation, children also learn and see that they do not interrupt in between. I always say this, we are blessed with 2 ears to listen more and 1 mouth to talk less. Number 4, sanitation or cleanliness. Cleanliness is said to be half of Iman, and we need to take care of all this. See that we wear decent, comfortable clothes, our nails are trimmed, hair is brushed or tied properly well. See that our house is organized, our wardrobes are well set, because clothes is something not just captivates others' attention but also makes us feel naturally good about ourselves. And we need to take care about these things. These small things matter a lot in a family. Last but not the least, try to make others feel important. Try to put yourselves into their shoes and think in their perspective. Instead of just throwing away your opinions, make them feel that we care for you. And when children watch all this, they too start to connect people emotionally. They start building very good relationship with people. I'm sure you will like this video, share and subscribe the channel to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let us impact our children by adding charisma and influence their lives for something better.